Hello. I decided to come outside and do this video. It is not that warm outside. As you can see, I'm dressed warmer. But it still is such a nicer view than inside my place. Oh, that's a nice sky. Let's see if you can see it. Nope, can't see the color. It's kind of pinkish, so I thought I would show you, but I can't. What I want to talk about in this video is snacking at night, eating when bored, right? I get a lot of women talking about this. And they're like, I don't know why I do it. I just got to stop. I don't know what's going on. But sometimes we're busy during the day. So here it is. I think I should have brought water. You're busy during the day, right? And so your mind is kept busy with doing things. So if you're somebody who, I'm definitely this type of person. I was always somebody who do. It was hard for me to sit. It still is. For me to sit and do nothing, I feel very restless, right? Better now, but I felt very restless. So I was always a snacker too. Oh my God, I snacked and snacked. I still do. The thing is that now I snack on different things, and also now I'm more conscious that what I was doing was eating because I was restless or because there was something in my life that I was ignoring, procrastinating, not doing. And why was I avoiding doing those things? Why was I procrastinating? So that is kind of the underlying things of what goes on. So here you are at night, and you've been kept so busy during the day that you haven't had a time to face the things, or really it's kind of like your inner knowing comes up when you have time. So you like when people say they get insight, they get downloads, they get their intuition when they sit and meditate or get quiet, right? So when you're busy, that doesn't come through as often. The messages from inside you, like your inner knowing, they're kind of shut down when you're busy and doing. So here you are at night, and you kind of stop that doing. You sit down, you're kind of relaxing, or your mind doesn't have something specific to focus on and do. So your physical body and your mind and everything gets restless. And also what can happen is the things now, your inner self trying to talk to you, either saying, you need to get out of this situation, or why are you still in that job? You don't like it. Or things like you need to be doing something better. You want to do something. What about your dreams? Knock. When are you going to start living your dreams? When are you going to start eating healthier? When are you going to stop sabotaging yourself, right? All these things, your inner knowing, your self that you're supposed to be listening to all the time, that we are, right? That is very wise, and it knows what is good for us and right for us. It's trying to talk to us. When you kind of calm down and you settle down, you're quiet. But the thing is that you're even unaware, but you don't want to hear it. It's like, you've been pushing it down, because what happens is it can bring up things that make you feel like, I can't do that, it's impossible. It's not good for me to start that at this time of my life. I'm too old. Or there's no way I can leave my job, because it brings up fear. It brings up fear, worry, anxiety, restlessness. Or it could bring up things like things that you've been avoiding that you need to do, and you're not willing to face those things. Maybe you're scared of the change they could involve. You don't know, there's so much uncertainty with that thing. So all day you're able to push that down because you're kept so busy. So here it is at night. All of a sudden you have this time, your body's relaxing, this stuff starts to come up again. And the ego or whatever it is like, no, we don't want to face this. How can you cover this up? What can you do? So you eat. It's almost like you eat to fill the void, right? You eat to quiet and shut down the voices, the inner voice that wants to come up and tell you something, the inner knowing that is there for you. So things like that. That is really a huge, big part of why women do that in the evening. Sheer boredom, of course, but we should never really feel bored, because there is so much in our life to learn. Right? Because you're probably even thinking, like if I said to you, do you get to do all the things you want to do? And you're like, no, my God, I don't ever have enough time to do all those things. Right. Now the evenings comes. It's time. If you really, truly are like, I really don't have anything to do in the evenings. Well, that's a problem. There's always something wonderful you can do. It's time, maybe this is what is telling you What kind of passion thing do you want to pursue? What type of creativity thing do you want to pursue? Maybe you want to take a class. Maybe you want to further your education. Maybe you want to spend time with friends, but you're saying that's silly and you shouldn't do that. Maybe you want to take dance lessons. Whatever it is, start exploring it. Start asking yourself, start listening to what is behind this restlessness and need to eat and need to snack and not feeling settled. What is behind it? What does your soul want? What do you want? What is that inner voice trying to tell you? And sometimes we can't get that information right away because we are so used to covering up. Oh God, my hairy. We're so used to covering it up and so used to not wanting to face what it has to tell us. And we don't want to deal with the emotions that might come up. We don't want to deal with feeling bad about ourselves or feeling like we failed or we should have done these things or that we're aging and it's too late. So if any of this resonates with you, that's you. Also, I have an amazing snacking at night video training, why you do it, and I go into more detail and maybe give you some questions and things you can answer and get through. And also recipes for women in midlife, healthy snack recipes. So if you are going to snack, you can snack on some things that are much better and healthier for your body. dianamarchand.com/snack-at-night. Check that out. It's only $11.11. You can do it. Come on. It's a perfect thing to get some healthy snack recipes and to listen to the training because you'll get some bigger and more awareness and insight and maybe be able to shift that for you. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.